Hello, my name is Calvin Thomas. I'm the service manager here at Big Valley Ford. I wanted to take a few minutes and first of all, congratulate you on your purchase of your new Ford vehicle. Second, I wanted to introduce you to our award-winning service department. We have over 40 factory-trained certified technicians. We are truly a one-stop shop dealership. We have a maintenance and repair division, which handles repairs on all Ford trucks and cars and RVs. We have a large commercial fleet division, which handles repairs on all your construction vehicles, police vehicles, and any other business-owned vehicle. We have a full-service body shop, and for your basic maintenance needs, including tires, we have a quick lane division, which is open Monday through Saturday. We do online appointments through our quick lane, as well as we accept walk-ins, which are taken on a first-come, first-served basis. If you have any questions, feel free to reach me directly via phone or email. Thank you.